A couple trapped in a moving U-Haul made a desperate bid for help and set off a high-speed pursuit, unlike anything local officers had seen.
Calling party advising someone was hurt banging inside of the truck to get out.
Early on the morning of April 8th, a bizarre and terrifying call came into dispatch in Santa Fe, New Mexico. A concerned citizen reported hearing voices pleading for help from inside a U-Haul truck. Those cries turned out to be real. A man and woman were locked in the back of that moving truck. They later told police they were helping the driver clean out the U-Haul when he suddenly pulled down the door, locked them inside the cargo area, and then drove away.
Again, pounding was heard from inside the door.
Just to reiterate, the caller believes that it was for certain somebody pounding on the door. He doesn't believe it could have been something knocking around in the cargo area, and said it was very pronounced knocking.
As more calls from concerned citizens were coming in, authorities spotted the U-Haul. But when deputies tried to pull it over,
Going wrong way on 599.
The driver took off and at times even attempted to ram police units.
It's all over the road, approaching the 25.
Our cargo vans were being going down the road, almost hit two other vehicles, had hazards on, going northbound on I-25.
Approaching heavy traffic, red light.
Speeding recklessly through city streets, the large moving van crossed both residential areas and busy roads.
And these people set up bikes back on 14. I don't need video on right here. Driver front tire is flat.
Let's crash you out.
Vehicle has been evading officers for the last 10 to 15 minutes.
Police attempted to deploy stop sticks to puncture the van's tires, but the driver persistently evaded capture.
The unit that was directed behind you all stand back a little bit. Yes, please.
With numerous units and agencies now responding to the call, they managed to deploy the stop sticks in time.
This pipe.
About 25 miles an hour. You have no tires. You just lost the tire. 30 miles an hour. All over the place. No tires left. It's gonna run a red light.
Tire deflation devices eventually slowed the U-Haul,
Left turn to Herrera. Making a left turn on Herrera.
which finally came to a stop after the driver tried to make a sharp left turn and ended up mounting the sidewalk.
Stop.
Driver, pulling up in the door!
The driver refused to surrender, so the police used a non-lethal round to shatter the driver's window.
Get up the clothes! We'll send the canine!
Finally, the driver exited the vehicle but did not immediately surrender.
We still hear banging from the back of the U-Haul.
Walk slowly towards me! Keep your hands up!
He appeared indifferent to the situation, continuing to smoke while the couple locked in the rear pounded on the wall. Due to the lack of compliance and the urgency of determining the circumstances of the individuals confined in the back of the moving truck, they resorted to another round of non-lethal force, which struck the driver in the leg. Consequently, he cooperated and was taken into custody. According to police, the victims were pleading for help throughout the incident. Inside, officers found the terrified couple. To make matters worse, police initially detained the victims until they could piece together what really happened. A chilling twist to an already harrowing story. Medics were called to assess them. One victim reportedly suffered a back injury after being thrown around with all the items around them during the erratic driving. The driver, a 50-year-old man, now faces multiple felony charges, including 2 counts of kidnapping, aggravated assault on a peace officer, and fleeing from law enforcement.
Do you understand each of the charges and the penalties, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. After a terrifying ordeal trapped inside a moving truck, the couple's resilience and the quick actions of those who called for help made all the difference. It's a powerful reminder of how quickly a situation can turn and how vital it is to look out for one another.